In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily make this beautiful double circle skirt pattern with very easy steps. If you'd love to watch more video tutorials from me, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that you won't miss out whenever I post new videos. I post new sewing and pattern drafting video tutorials every single week. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my fabric and I'll fold it at the center, and this is going to be fold number 1. Then after giving it a first fold, I'm going to go ahead and give it a second fold. So this is fold number 2. So this is my first piece. I'm going to get another piece of fabric so that we can make 2. Remember, we're making 2 circles that are going to go in one waist. I'll explain further as the video proceeds. So this is my second fabric. I'm going to give it a first fold. As you can see, this is fold number 1. As well, I'll give it a second fold like the first one. This is fold number 2. So after making these folds, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 720-degree flare circle. So what this means is that I'll get my waist circumference and divide it into 2. Because I have 2 pieces of fabric, I'm going to share my waist circumference equally. So for example, if your waist circumference is 30 inches, you're going to divide 30 by 2. Then you have 15 on this piece and 15 on the other side. So what you do with the 15 is you further divide 15 by 6 and the other 15 by 6. I hope that's clear, guys. So once you do that, for example, when you divide 15 by 6, you're going to have 2.5 inches. So you're going to mark 2.5 inches right there. Remember, use your waist circumference, whatever waist circumference you have. This 2.5 inches is based on my waist circumference. So I'm going to mark 2.5 inches. That was 15 divided by 6. I'm just going to mark it right there. Okay, so I'm just going to connect that and I'll go on the second one. 15 divided by 6, I'll mark 2.5 inches on the radius here. Okay, so next I'm going to get my pair of scissors and cut these 2 out. Okay, so after cutting out, I'm going to determine the full length of my flare. So I'm going to get my measuring tape and my tailor's chalk, then determine the full length of my skirt. So from this point here, I'm going to determine how long I want it to be. So if you want it longer, you can use a bigger fabric. As you can see, my fabric was small, so this is going to be a bit short, but not too short. So I'm going to keep rotating there, my desired full length, as you can see. So I'm just going to connect the points and make my circle. As you can see, I'm going to do the same on the other side, then I'll cut them out. So I'm going to do the same on this piece and then I'll cut out. So next I'm going to open these two pieces and you're going to see how beautiful they look. As you can see, I have formed two circles. That's circle number 1, and also I have circle number 2. So this is half for my waist and the other one is here, circle number 2. So next I'm going to open them at my center back, then I'll join them to form one circle. So you have to note that when making circle skirts, sometimes this skirt will even be slightly bigger than your waist. So when sewing the waistband, you're going to pleat them a bit so that it can come to the original waist size. That's how circle skirts are. So I'm going to join this together. Let me just open cut the back, center back for the other piece, then join them. So this is the second one, so I'll just place this one onto the other one, right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to stitch on one side and join from the wrong side of the fabric. I'll just join on one side because the other one should be open. So I'm just going to stitch on my sewing machine and leave this one open. So after joining, it's going to form one full circle. And remember, when stitching the waistband, give it a bit of gathering. So this is how beautiful it looks. I haven't put my waistband yet. This is how beautiful it looks. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting video tutorials that I post every single week. Bye.